And first up, our focus is the big news that is coming from Darbhanga in Bihar, where Jatin Sahani, father of former Bihar government minister and president of the VIP party, Mukesh Sahani, has been killed there. Now, his body was found inside a house located in Afzala Panchayat at Supol Bazar in Darbhanga district. Those are the pictures on your screens, which for reasons has been morphed as those were disturbing images. But what exactly led to his killing is the question. We'll have Prakash join us shortly to give us more details of what the police knows so far as the mysterious killing of Jatin Sahani's father, Mukesh Sahani, is concerned. But remember, his body that was found inside a house located in Afzala Panchayat at Supol Bazar in Darbhanga district. This is the latest that is just coming in as investigation is on in this case. And has grabbed all the eyeballs in Bihar as to what led to Mukesh Sahani's death.
Taken place in Birol subdivision of Darbhanga district in Bihar, where Jatin Sahani, the father of VIP party president, has been killed by sharp weapon, and assailants barged into the house of Jatin Sahani early in the morning. That's what it is being said by the police, and he was killed by sharp weapons. And the reasons for the killing is not yet known. The assailants are on the run because it's in the remotest part of Bihar, Darbhanga district. And thereafter, the police reached on the spot. The SIT has been constituted to investigate into the entire matter. The senior police officials are camping on the spot. Now, this particular death will certainly create a huge uproar in Bihar's politics, because Jatin Sahani, father of Mukesh Sahani, who hails from the EBC community, and is allegedly has been alleging the deteriorating law and order situation in Bihar. He, along with Tejasvi Yadav, for a long time. So this will definitely raise questions on the law and order situation in Bihar, because the father of a prominent politician of Bihar has been killed by sharp weapons. Certainly Tejasvi Yadav will also up the ante and will raise certain questions against him. And Mukesh Sahani, who is right now in Mumbai, is reaching Darbhanga through a chartered flight, and will also raise questions, and along with his party supporters. So this will definitely have a huge impact throughout the day as far as the killing of Mukesh Sahani is concerned. Back to you.
Indeed, Prakash, the incident that has sent shockwaves through the local community after Sahani's severely mutilated body was found. And as you're saying that the family is en route, meanwhile the motive behind the murder is yet to be ascertained. Let's also listen into what Papu Yadav had to say over this incident.
एक दिन पहले दो बच्चों की हत्या करके मार दी गई। इसके पहले मुजफ्फरपुर में नौकरी के नाम पर सैकड़ों बच्चों का शारीरिक और यौन शोषण, लगातार पटना, दानापुर में मर्डर पर मर्डर, बिहार के हर जिलों में हत्या का सिलसिला। और आज एक संघर्षशील लीडर मुकेश जी के पिता की हत्या, कंप्लीट रूप से रोम जल रहा था, नीरो बंसी बजा रहा। पूरा शासन प्रशासन महकमा लूटने में लगा हुआ, दूसरे पदाधिकारियों को फंसाने में लगा हुआ, दूसरे नेताओं को, दूसरे को इन्वॉल्व करने में। इन्हें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से कोई मतलब नहीं। पूरा बिहार अपराधियों के चंगुल में है, भगवान भरोसे है। माफिया, अपराधी, पदाधिकारी और नेता के गठजोड़ से बिहार चल रहा है।
And those are the responses that have come in so far after that mysterious killing of Mukesh Sahni and what exactly led to his death. Remember that his severely mutilated body was found, and this incident that has sent shockwaves among the local community. The police that is already investigating the incident, the motive behind the murder that is yet to be ascertained. VIP chief Mukesh Sahni's father, Jatin Sahani, who was murdered in the most brutal manner in Bihar's Darbhanga, and who exactly was after his life is something that the police is trying to investigate. Now, remember, this has triggered widespread fear and unease among the residents. In fact, the local cops who have also gone on to say that they reached the spot, they are investigating the matter, an initial assessment that suggests that it is a case of murder. In fact, Jatin Sahni was attacked with a sharp weapon by intruders who allegedly broke into that house with the intention of burglary is what the police has said so far. This, of course, as we understand from our sources, that the incident occurred while Mukesh Sahni's father, Jatin Sahani, was alone at home, after which he was attacked. Several political reactions that have been pouring in from across party lines, where they not just condone this death, but also offer condolences to the family of Mukesh Sahani. And the police that is now trying to look into this matter to what had transpired that led to the death of Jatin Sahani. Now, Mukesh Sahani is from the Malla community, and he has also served as the Minister of Animal Husbandry and Fisheries in the Bihar government, holds significant political influence in Bihar, and their support is crucial as far as the Bihar politics is concerned. Meanwhile, this incident that has shocked the local community of the brutal killing of Mukesh's father, Jatin Sahani.